Happy Pride Month, and what's your sexuality? My sexuality is I like to just go by bisexual. So if someone says, "Hey, what's your sexuality?" I just say bisexual because everyone knows what that is. You don't have to explain it. But I guess technically I'm pansexual because pansexual means you're attracted to anyone, as long as they have good personalities, So how I like to explain it is I'm gonna be with someone for the personalities, how they are, not their genitals. I'm not just gonna go and be like they're attractive and they have the genitals I like. Booyah! Because think about that. If I go up to someone because they're attractive, like I'm attracted to them, and they have the right genitals, I didn't see what their personality is, so I could, have fun in bed. But then, at the end of the day, what if we want to have kids someday and go explore and go to the zoo, go to the caves, go to the mountains, and we don't have the same personality. Like their personality sucks, and it's like, wow, well, I just married this person and not knowing who they actually are, just finding them attracted and liking their private part. And I hate that people are like that. I think everyone should be able to be open because I see a lot of people that are like attracted to trans people, and then after we'd be like, hey, by the way, like I am trans, and then even if you have full surgery, like I have top surgery, I don't have bottom surgery yet. Hopefully soon in the future. I just need the money, but and then to be like, ooh, like they're not even attracted to you anymore. It's like that's so weird. Like you loved my personality, you loved the way I looked. But then right after I say just a label, everyone's like, ew, ew, I'm gonna walk away. It's like, I mean, you can have your own opinion, but that I don't know, that just feels kind of weird. Like love someone for who they are, not a label. Label's a label. Come on. But yeah.